Welcome friends. In this video we shall learn a very important method to find the square root of a decimal number, and we shall use long division method to calculate a square root of the decimal number. And we shall learn this method by an example, and the example is as follows. Find the square root of the following numbers in the decimal form. And in this video we are given two decimal numbers and we have to calculate the square root of these decimal number by using long division method. And now we shall start with part 1, and in part 1 the given number is 225.6004. and first of all we shall write this number in the middle of the sheet like this, and now we shall place bar over each pair of digits on both on decimal part and whole part of the number, and we shall start from here like this, and this two does not make any pair, and on this decimal part we shall start from here like this. So, and each pair including this single digit is called a period. And now we shall draw two straight lines like this, and now we shall think of a number whose square is less than equal to 2, this first period. So we know that 1 into 1 is equals to 1, and now we shall subtract this 1 from this 2 to get 1 and write here, and now we shall add this digit of the quotient to this divisor, and we get 2. And now we shall bring down the next period, and that is 25. So this number becomes 125. And now we shall find the next digit in the quotient, and we can find it like this. We shall keep aside the unit digit of this number, and that is 5, and take the number formed by tens digit and hundred digit, then it will be 12. And now we shall divide this 12 by this 2, so we get 6. Then the next digit in the quotient will be 6 or less than 6, so let us write 6 in the quotient and 6 here. Then this number becomes 26 and this number is 6, and now we shall multiply 6 with 26, we get 156. What we observe? We observe that this 156 is greater than this number 125, so 6 is not appropriate here. So we shall write 5 here, and now we shall multiply 5 with this 25, then we get 125, and this is equal to this 125. And now we shall subtract 125 from this 125 to get 0, and now we shall add this digit 5 with this divisor 25 to get 30, and here before bringing down the next period, here is the decimal point, so we shall write decimal point here and bring down the next period, and that is 60. And if we keep away this unit digit, then the number is 6, and we see that the 6 is less than 30, so we cannot divide 6 with 30, so we shall put a 0 here and bring down the next period, and that is 04. And now we shall keep this 4 away and take the number 600 and divide by 300, we get 2. So we shall write 2 here and 2 here. And now we shall multiply this 3002 with this 2 to get 6004. And if we subtract 6004 from this 6004, we get 0. So our division process stops. Therefore, this value 15.02 is a square root of the given number. So the square root of 225.6004 is equals to 15.02. So this is the solution of the part 1, and now we shall move to the second part. And in second part we are given a number 84.8241, and now we shall place bar over the pair of digits, right to left on in whole part of the decimal number and left to right in decimal part of the number. And now we shall draw 2 lines here like this, and now we shall think of a largest natural number whose square is less than equal to 84, and we observe that 9 is the largest number whose square is less than or equal to 84. And if we multiply 9 with 9, we get 81, and if we subtract 81 from 84, we get 3. And here is the decimal point. Now we shall put decimal point here and bring down the next period, that is 82. So the number becomes 382. And now we shall add this 9 to this divisor to get a number 18. And now we shall keep away this unit digit and take the number 38 and divide by 18, we get 2. We shall add 2 here and 2 here. And now we shall multiply this 182 with 2 to get 364. And now we shall subtract 364 from this 382 to get 18 and bring down the next period, that is 41. And now we shall add this digit here to get 184. And now we shall keep away this unit digit and take the number 184 to divide by 184 to get 1. So we shall write 1 here and 1 here. And now we shall divide this 1841 with this 1 to get the same number. And now we shall subtract it to get 0. So the square root of the given number 84.8241 is equals to 9.21. So this is the solution of the second part. Thank you.